I wear voices in my head, just leave me alone. Just leave, yeah. I don't wanna be alone, but that's my most.
Here we go. Day, day 12? Day 12 arms. Say what you're gonna do, and I'm gonna just say what I'm gonna do. I said you could just, they can hear you, so you just say what you're gonna do. I'm gonna just say the camera. Oh my god. Anyway, he's gonna do the bench. I'm gonna just hit a couple sets with these standing. I'm not finna do that because I'm gonna go into doing cables later anyways. That's real good, but actually no, that's actually excellent. That's excellent. I was probably like what, 5 for each arm. That's excellent. That'll set me up for success for next time, next week.
Was that live?
You never turned it on?
Nah, that's already on. It's already connected.
But now, I hope mine is on. Okay, yeah. You guys can hear me, right? All right. Yeah, it is.
You taller than me though. That's the only
I think.
thing.
I don't really. I guess some hammers with the rope real quick. Let's do 60.
I got
Let's. I'm gonna hit a drop set, so do it like that.
fucking.
I don't like how he's pushed me to my limit.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's like, you got a fucking problem, say something. But that's good. Your turn.
55. That shit was way too light.
Bro,
Huh?
try not to slam the weight, bro.
My bad, my bad.
Cause I don't, like, look, bro. Like, we already getting eyeballs from this white bitch over here. All right, the
Over
black
here?
tights, yeah. No, over here. But what's that, 55? Ain't even that heavy. Not even that heavy. Keep going. Ain't even that heavy. You got like 10 more. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 8, 9. Yeah.
I got it.
Ooh. You go to the front, we gone.
But look at her dude though.
I know. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit.
Look at her dude and look at us.
66.
Big ass difference, my boy.
Yeah, but
Nah, but
just
for
the
real,
bigger
yeah,
picture,
I already
the bigger
know though.
picture though. Yeah.
All right. Yep. 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 Damn. Yep. 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 Yep.
Yeah.
My shit fucking burning.
Well, just do whatever you feel like you want to do. And
All
then
right.
for this one, it's going to be, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
Yep. Yep.
all right. We're going to finish this up. Get up out of here. All right. Let's go pose down now. All right. I don't think so. She didn't look at me with a happy face. She looked at me with a disgust face.
We have to have a reason to actually.
Yeah. Whew, whew.
Fuck.
Yeah. All right. Oh, weird today, but see you on day 12. I mean, 13 actually.